Hello there, my name is Donald Cunningham. In this video, I'm going to show you three things you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. You're probably wondering why I'm doing this and what's in it for me. I don't blame you. Well, let me tell you. Oftentimes, business owners are too busy running their own business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I have found that giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners asking me to do it for them. So if by the end of this video you like what you've heard and seen, please shoot me a message and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this action plan I've given you and do it for yourself, that works for me too. So the first thing I wanted to go over with you is content. Now most business owners know they need content on their homepage, but what they don't know is that the average length of the number one result on Google is 1,500 to 2,400 words for you to show up at the top of Google. And you need to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage with the right keywords. Right now, you have over 2,100 words on your homepage. So as far as word count, you're already ahead of the game. Okay, now this is your competitor. But guess what? They have 24, almost 2,500 words on their homepage. So you still need to work some to beat them. Okay, another thing we want to look at is the keywords. Now I have a little tool here called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool, but essentially it gives a behind the scenes view of what Google uses to rank a website. So I ran a quick scan on your competitor. Now it's showing here they're being found for 28 organic keywords with a search volume of 75. Okay, so when I click on the keywords, it'll show me the actual keywords that they're being found for. So the top three is Lexus Plumbing, Lex Plumbing, and Frisco TX Plumbing. Search volume of 150, 90, and 100. Okay, now when I come look at your website in Ahrefs, um, you're being found for no organic keywords and there is no search volume. So what you need to do, the first thing you need to do to beat your competition online is to have, in this case, you'd have to have a minimum of 2,500, maybe 2,600 words on your home page, but you also need to include the keyword your competitor is being found for, because that's what's driving your competitor's business, and it is 100% beatable. Okay, now let's move on to the second thing I wanted to go over with you, and that is citation. So you see here, I brought up what we call the map section or the map pack in Google, and what you're going to see is this. You click on one of these, you're going to see the name, address, and phone number of a business, and that's what we call a NAP, or name, address, and phone number. And this is how Google verifies and gives relevance to your local business. Okay, so I have here, this is a chart of some of the top on top online directories that you want to have your NAP in. Yeah, so let me explain. The number one thing you can do today to push your business up in the map pack is to be listed in more directories than your competitor is in. So a citation is your NAP and on places like Yellow Pages, BBB, Facebook, Yelp, and a couple hundred other directories. And when you get more than your competitor, you gain more trust from Google. I think I said that before, pushing you above them in the map pack. Okay, now let's talk about the third thing I wanted to go over with you today, and that is link juice or backlinks. So when we search here, okay, when we do a search here for plumbers in Frisco, as you see, your name is not on the top, but that's where you want to be. And to get there, you need authority. And getting authority comes down to backlinks. And a backlink is when one website links to another website online. So look at it like this. Let me give you an example. Um, if you get a local blog or industry that links back to you, then that's great. But if your niche has got a backlink from Pizza Hut linking back to you, not so great because you don't sell pizza. So going back to Eros again, when we see here when we look at backlinks, you have one backlink linking back to your site. Okay, now going back to your competitor again, they have 323 backlinks linking to their site. Now if I click on here, it'll show me these are all the sites that are linking back to their site. Now we can get those same links for your business. And then, but what we want to do is get those links, but then add even more so that you have more, more sites linking back to you than they do. So getting to the top is not magic, it's just a method. And I've shown you that method today. Okay, so in closing, once again, we went over content. Your front page needs at least 25 to 2,700 words. For citations, you want to have 200 to 300 of these to beat out your competitor by landslide. And link juice, you want to have more relevant sites pointing to you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. Okay, so what now? Well, you can either go with the information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want a more effective route and want to save yourself some time, you can give me a call at 714-473-0269. Once again, my name is Don. My number is 714-473-0269. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.